Hello, my name is Caroline and I have 9 years and I do this project with 2 friends. And I will say what happens in this game. So first, we have the part of the start. Look, it has a music. And then in the next part, when you click, it goes in chicken, a hand, right? There you see the firewood, and then the bear. And now is the part that he will say.
The greenhouse effect. Hello, can you help me escape fire? Because it's your fault I'm having this horrible day. Yes, you humans are causing the greenhouse effect. You need to stop using industries that generate not just energy, but also CO2 and methane that make the planet hot.
And then this part is to hit jump. The fires is 5 fires. So this is the first phase. And
Earth
then
is not safe yet. Trash over time
he
turns into methane.
says,
Tell me to throw garbage in trash.
and then we have this part that is the second phase. And so the bear needs to grab the trash and put in the trash bin like here. Look, this, and it's like this. They just go with the trash and make to jump to put him.
Phew, humans don't know how to
And now he
choose fuel.
says
I
again
wonder if you can.
that is now the fuel. So he has 4 fuses, and then you have to choose. I don't want to say the correct one.
In a
And
world
then
like today, we have
this-
to be conscious that if we don't
This part is the U1, and he says that is lots of time. But and then I would say other part
but we can use clean or renewable energy.
because
Burning
it says
fossil fuels releases
information
gases such as carbon
of
dioxide,
the third
CO2,
phase.
methane, CH4, and nitrous
And then he
oxide,
puts some
and
music.
2O into the atmosphere. TH. Reducing energy consumption through measures such as using efficient appliances and optimizing industrial processes can reduce T.
Just wait. Then now we this, and now is the developers. And is this the game? Bye. Thanks. Hi guys, my name is Brian, and me and my group, we made this game that is called the greenhouse effect. Here we make some things about, here we can explain some things about the climate. Now let's start. So we start with the chicken. That is, he will run about the fire, and here the cold of the bear that is walking. We put that he will walk like this, like the chicken. And then your first objective is jump the fire. If you die, you get this game over. And let us get it again. So here we can get another things, another times things, and when the up arrow, and here is the gravity that make the bear
greenhouse effect.
Get
Hello,
it down.
can you help me escape
And
fire?
look,
because it's your fault that I'm having this horrible day.
He
Yes,
says,
you humans are causing
hello,
the greenhouse
just-
effect.
I just
You need to
saying
stop using
other
industries that
things.
generate not just energy, but also CO2 and methane that make the planet hot.
and look, I did it again. But now we can say about the fire. The fire is one hitbox that if you go to customers And this is the fire. All the pixels of the fires is this. So if you touch some part of the fire, the bear is dead. So here is the code, and now we are going to the second level. So the second level we can see here in here that this is a trash, a garbage.
The greenhouse effect. Hello. Can you help me escape fire?
That
Because it's your fault I having this horrible
put in
day.
the trash.
Yes, you humans are causing the greenhouse effect. You need to stop using industries that generate not just energy, but also CO2 and methane that make the planet hot.
When you put in the trash, the garbage, that when the garbage goes to the trash, you will broadcast trash clean, and then we are going to the third level. That are these canisters that are gasolines that you need to press the button, the correct button of the gasolines to win. The right one I don't wanna say, so you need to discover. So we have ethanols, regular gasoline, diesel fuel, and natural gas. And when you win, you get this end. And here is the developers. That is me, Brian Bermati Figueiredo. And the other ones that is Carolina Amonso Simão and Miguel Franklin Dazi. These are all the developers.
So let's get a few gameplay into final. You control by these three.
The greenhouse effect. Hello, can you help me escape fire? Because it's your
The
fault I'm
movement
having
is
this
the
horrible
same code by
day.
the
Yes,
chicken.
you humans are
Brian
causing the greenhouse
explained it.
effect. You need to stop using industries that generate not just energy, but also CO2 and methane that make the planet hot. Earth is not safe yet. Trash over time turns into methane.
Now
Help me to throw garbage in trash.
Now the trash will go to there, so we
Phew, humans don't know how to choose fuel. I wonder if we can.
Carol explain this better. Now what's the other thing is that fuel. We don't think about this, but fuel can improve the climate change. Ethanol is the
In a
ethanol
world
is
like
the
today,
best
we have to be
choice.
conscious that if we don't have energy, we can't destroy the nature. But we can use clean or renewable energy. Burning fossil fuels releases gases such as carbon dioxide, CO2, methane, CH4, and nitrous oxide, N2O, into the atmosphere, TH. Reducing energy consumption through measures such as using efficient appliances and optimizing industrial processes can reduce T.
And then there is improving. Goodbye.